Yeah, man, bless up my YouTube thing, you know. We're back again because it's a long time now we not do nothing.
Yeah.
Because through the winter thing, everything they kind of stall through the coolness and them thing there. So, welcome back the thing and bless up all the followers and thing. So, yeah, we are doing now, I cut up some seasoning here now for some escovitch fish. Cause I have to do some escovitch fish because my auntie drop out up in New York. So I do some escovitch fish pick up the Saturday morning. So I get my season them ready now, as you can see. So my auntie, named Aunt Derry, her original name is Stephen. One of my favorite auntie, you know.
Yeah, because I always hear talk about her.
Yeah, man. So she like them thing and nine night and them thing there, because back in the days, I feel them style a lot. So I keep the 9 nights Saturday night, so I do some escovitch fish sauce so for tomorrow. So I go get the seasoning them ready and the fish them fried tomorrow. As you can see, I cut up some carrot, onion,
Yeah,
see?
Yeah, carrot, onion,
thyme, onion, purple onion, white onion. Then I cut bell pepper, garlic and all the things for the escovitch. So as you can see me I slice up the thing there, my carrot, see it? Slice up my carrot them, slice them in a straight line.
So you're gonna cook here and bring it up New York?
Yeah.
Wow.
You see me have more space down here, so.
Yeah.
I have my grill, I have my big container there, man, you know. Put it up, I'll pan them up because you know the time cool, so you know bother say it's hot, you know spoil going up there to Saturday morning. I'm gonna cook till tomorrow night. Cook Friday night, you know.
Yeah.
So going up, you know, it's cool, you know. That will be like you know the 30s. So I'm gonna have a problem with nothing. I'm gonna do everything tomorrow night. Manage water, jerk chicken, everything, you know. So I got a rough start ahead of me.
Yeah.
To the new year right now.
What for cooking?
What if I cooking again, but the thing I love though, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are my carrot them here with it. So these and pepper are real hot. Cut them up, put in there, so I go downstairs and now go get some bell pepper.
That's in your fridge? Oh.
Yeah, I get some bell pepper.
Yeah, fridge everywhere, Gangali. Fridge everywhere, eh?
Fridge everywhere. Shared all downstairs everywhere. The bell pepper. So you know them have to go in a escovitch to cut them up. So you see, lucky we do red, green and gold, but we not get no green no them one here.
Oh, no green this time.
Yeah, I think them are run short, so you're not getting no, you know. So this one now, this is rosemary. But the escovitch nice though.
Yeah.
You have two branches of this in there too. Yeah,
you use rosemary in everything, right?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
You make your escovitch taste nice, you know. Wash them off. So when I wash off this now, so I'm gonna do my thing till tomorrow. So I get it ready, put it in the freezer, put it in the cooler, the fridge. Put it in the fridge. I have the one put in the fridge, yeah. So this now, you see. Yeah, so wash out about the pepper them. So what we do now? This is the carrot and the some carrot and the honey. Yeah, you can mix them up together. But and then cut up the bell pepper, then put in a different container. You don't want everything onion, make the onion cook down first, you know.
Oh, okay.
Then we throw in the bell pepper, then put them on top.
Oh, okay.
I don't want them boil too swaggy.
Oh yeah.
That's yeah.
So Gangali, the legend drop out, man. Bunny Wailer.
Yeah, so Jabby drop out, you know.
Yeah, man.
Jabby is a man I'm check for, you know.
Man.
We have a virgin here in Natikuru, you know. Dreadlocks near Natikuru, man. Jabby was tight, so me and Jakuru was tight, so Jakuru, that man, anytime I go check Jabby, he always say, come creamy, we go check Jabby, you know. And we're gonna link up Jabby. Jakuru is a man that burn him Charlie hard, and Jabby burn it, you know.
Yeah.
And anytime we got Jabby, we get a money too.
Oh.
So he's a man where when we check for too, you know. Jabby, D Bro, and the whole of them man, because we know the whole of them man there, so we all go check them man there. And the man there come all over House of Dread. When I start going over House of Dread, and not the crew make me go come over House of Dread too, you know.
Oh.
You know a skill cooler and them man there, Holland skill cooler and all of them man there. Crew is a man who know you have to say everybody, you know. Yeah, but crew kind of drop out and out too.
Oh, crew drop out too?
Yes, man. Crew one dreadlocks, man, where man know crew, man. One neck dreadlocks named Dipstick. Bobby Blue Nose. All of them top man there. But fun for the round them man there, you know, back in the days. Yeah, man, so I'm sorry, so Jabby, boy, I two legends just drop out there one another. You right,
drop out, now Bunny Wailer drop out.
Yeah, man.
The last of the Wailers, the original Wailers.
When we just drop out the other day too. Robert just drop out the other day. One of the Wailers too, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man, he live on a famous area on a Kirk there too, man.
Dunkirk?
Yeah, man, Robert. Linda the Wailers too.
Oh. Man, I check out a concert with Bunny Wailer at the MCI Center. When it was the MCI Center, now it's Verizon Center in the DC. Man, I think it's the early 2000s or late 1990s. I can't remember. But it was a good concert, man.
Yeah, man, you know Jabby.
Bunny Wailer.
You know Jabby. We don't call him Bunny Wailer, you know. We call him Jabby.
Jabby.
Yeah, we call him Jabby.
Oh.
Yeah. We call him Jabby.
So how long you know him for? I mean, you good.
I know Jabby, when crew make me know Jabby. Because crew make me know Jabby. I know Jabby from early in the 80s.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, early in the 80s. I know Jabby. But I know not the crew from in the 70s.
Oh.
Yeah. A crew, not a crew. The man who make me know Cecil Charlton. The man that make me know Cecil Charlton, that's what we used to call a Mandeville go check Mr. Charlton at weekend time. Yeah, crew make me know a whole for big man. Because through crew are dreadlocks and know a lot of people. Yeah, man.
Cecil Charlton died too, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That a good man, that man.
Yeah.
Me man.
Mandeville.
Yeah, man. It's a C. Good man that too, you know, man. Kind man. And the party that the man they run for, you know. Never lose. Man, switch from labor right to PNP, my win said way. Yeah, switch from PNP to labor right, my win said way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bunny Wailer.
Oh, all of the famous man them not to do that, they want Jack Cool, man. So,
Yeah.
I think we know say Jack Cool. When I go to Jamaica, what? Nah, 2021.
You went Jamaica what? 2019?
Yeah,
Okay.
2019 I go to Jamaica. Then time before, you know, so Jack Cool was dead, you know. And I go downtown,
Is it the Jakku that used to have the sound system?
no, man.
Oh. Different brethren.
Yeah, this is Jack Cool. Man, we up and down, they all hold it all over.
Oh. Yeah, have to give up a respect to the legends, you know?
Jack Cool a brain man, because Jack Cool used to go KC.
Oh yeah, Kingston College.
Yeah. Man, say all of the legends them a drop out, man. So, yeah, you are gone, Bunny gone, Dennis Brown, Gregory, Delroy Wilson, all of the man them. And look how one we are come up out, them not do nothing, man quarrel on social media and war against them one another.
Yeah, them just a look at hype, you know?
You I take them still.
Yeah. That's why I love the old school, you know, man. The old school
man,
music.
beat old school, man.
Yeah.
Don't beat old school. I think much them when I not listen to them. All them songs what they sing, me don't know what you, because I not listen to them, you know. So some of them sing some good songs, yes, but
Yeah.
all them all company thing with them war thing before everybody unite.
Yeah. And just in the hype, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just saw, you see me get a green and now, so it's a green. And that's a green and now, so I have technical of it now, white, gold and green and now. You see?
So after you finish this, what next?
After I finish this,
Yeah.
I'll clean up some chicken.
Okay.
I'll clean up some chicken.
And you're gonna season it up today, or?
Yeah, I'll season them up today.
Okay.
Soak, you know,
All right.
tomorrow night.